Yesterday I tried out the palm spin on the bars, didn't quite get there. Here's a video. On the last video that I posted, I was practicing on here and I thought maybe the progression would work. I think it's working some ways, but actually watching the video of me trying on the bar back in slow-mo, what you'll see is that I think my legs are too low. So what I'm going to try is doing it again on here, but keeping my legs tucked for longer. So we'll see if I can do that, see if that makes a difference, and then we'll see if that makes a difference on the bars. Okay, so actually I think I'm spinning further with that. So we'll give that a go on the bars next week and I'll update you and see if it's working.
Let's do it. There we go.